welcome to my channel Informatica Hub. As per the news and blog post, you might be aware about that Capgemini is going to hire in bulk in 2024. And this is a very great news for all the candidates who are searching for their first job. Yes, definitely, you know that the importance right now to get a first job, at least to start a job, because right now the market is not up to the mark. Because of that reason, you are very much struggling to get your first job. So in this video, I will be talking regarding Capgemini recruitment process, end-to-end recruitment process. I am very much close to Capgemini, so I will be guiding you in a better way that how you can grab the Capgemini. Even you can check out in my channel that about Capgemini, how I am related to Capgemini. This will be definitely helping you out in some or the other way. So before starting the video, let's introduce myself. I am an IT guy, just like you all guys. And yes, I make videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, placement experience, technology experience, interview experience, switching experience and lots more that you can think related to IT. तो चलो समझ गए होगे कि मैं कौन हूँ यार. वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा होगा तो लाइक कर देना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना. देयर आर मोर देन 750 plus videos that can be 550 plus video that can be helpful for you in some or the other way. So see, Capgemini is right now hiring, so it is a great opportunity for you. The package that they are offering is around 4.5 LPA, 5.75 LPA, and for some colleges it's 7.5 LPA. So three kind of package that they are offering. So whatever they are offering right now, the main concern from many of the private college university student is to get the first job. The main concern is कि भाई पहले तो job मिल जाए, then we will think about the package. We need a good company, a good technology to work on. So for that, this is a great opportunity. Just be tuned to my channel. I will be just updating the link once there will be a when there will be update for that. And yes, what will be the recruitment process? Do check it out in the Superset video, Superset link. And before that, know about the recruitment process. Right now, they have changed little bit of recruitment process. The recruitment process consists of 3 rounds. First round will be kind of a written round, just like any other interview, but here they are taking technical MCQs along with an essay writing. So in technical interview, they are expecting that you are aware about the basic technical concept. Basic technical concept, what I mean, it's like they should be aware about Java, object-oriented programming, DBMS, or SQL and all. You should be aware about that. After that, there will be some logical, arithmetical, English question that's very common. And yes, essay writing can be there. Now your question might be like, क्या रहेगी essay writing में? क्या पूछ सकते हैं भाई essay writing में? So they will be mostly inclined toward the technical stuff that compare about the iPhone 14, 15, how applications are booming or making your life easy. Anything it can be. How critical you think, how proper you present. That's the main thing that they want to check. Okay, they want to check how you are presenting, how you are framing the things, how you are thinking, what's the critical thinking skills that you are having, and as per that they will be updating you. Now essay writing and technical MCQ is that what I can say elimination round. Suppose the marks is not up to the mark as per the cutoff, maybe you will be not sent for the second round, that is the coding assessment. Coding assessment is basically for someone who want a higher package. Okay, they need to be, depending upon the college, you will be getting either 5.75 or 7.5. So 4.5 is the basic package, 4.25 and 4.5. Okay, so coding assessment, so essay writing और technical MCQ में आपको ये केयर करना है कि whatever you are answering, it's a kind of a deliberation round to as perfect as you can. Because the perfection you will maintain over there, that will be definitely helping you in the next steps. Coding assessment will be consisting of 2-3 codes, okay, and definitely you should be having some coding acumen. You should be able to frame the logic that they are expecting and yes, explain it in a better way. See, after that there can be an English test or spoken English test that they have kept just like Accenture. So all these 3 rounds, and after essay and technical MCQ, there is no elimination round. You will be definitely going for a 3rd round, that is the technical interview round. And you know, technical interview I have talked in multiple videos. Even if you want to repeat me, I am repeating that in technical interview, basically there will be question, they will be shooting out the question as per your resume. If your resumes are up to the mark, like your resume are like having a project, having some basic technical stuff like IT stuff like SQL, DBMS stuff, and whatever the project that you have done, explain in a better way along with the basic skill set that is expected, definitely the talk will be very good, and that they are expecting this much only. They may ask you to share your screen and write some logic in order to check that how you are aware about the programmatic syntax and all. They might check some syntax, how you are taking syntax, how you are trying to what I can say, how you are trying to frame a business problem into a logic, okay, arithmetical or coding logic. So they might check it on that part, but yes, that not be a kind of a rejection. That may check you in order to make you fit for the multiple projects. Okay, so be aware in technical interview, a good concept over your projects. Good concept over your project, like you should be aware what you have done in your project, what are the tools and techniques, tools and technology library that you have used that can be helpful in some or the other way. Okay, like don't only be rely on the question that they will be shooting out of the technical terms or jargons that you have used in that resume, but basically be ready with some of your projects so that you can speak in a better way. So this is the kind of round. After that, there will be a basic HR round depending upon the requirement of the company or depending upon their needs and requirement. But yes, this is not the end. Okay, this is not the end. It's like after that, this is once you are selected, you are moving into L1 trainings and all. So that also you need to clear. But yes, mostly it will be clear. Means if you are clearing this assessment, almost 90%, 95% clear all those tests. So be ready with this kind of stuff, and definitely I would be recommending Capgemini because the learnings are good, the project that they are having are good. Means see, in service-based company, most of the project will be a support kind of stuff. But yes, they are having some good development implementation projects also, where you can get a lots of exposure and learning toward that particular tech stack. Okay, so that can be helpful for you. And yes, be not only be limited to whatever they are telling you, whatever they are giving you. See, right now the market is low, but there will be boom in the market. So be prepared, start preparing accordingly. See, you gain an experience, try to learn. Many of you might be saying, yeah, the package is low and something is like that. But the thing is that actually they are giving you a platform to get exposed to in the technical world, an IT world. And you cannot ignore this thing. Actually, they are giving you a better opportunity to in order to get exposed and in order to get learning. So be ready with all this stuff. Definitely this will be helping you out in some or the other way. About Capgemini, if you are talking about that, how is the company? Company is, see, it is a French multinational having multiple projects from outside UK, US and all. So the exposure you will be getting will be a better in terms of projects I am talking. You will be getting a big client, working for them, getting a lots of exposure, learning from there. And yes, working for client may give you an opportunity to get into the client side also. After the growth and hike in Capgemini, see, I'm not very much amazed with the growth and hike. Okay, but it's good only, what I would say, as compared to service identity. I don't want to go in detail about the growth and hike, but don't expect much. But it's decent, what I would say. If you want me to create a video about the growth and hike in Capgemini, do comment in the comment box. Also, if you want any additional information regarding Capgemini, yeah, पूछो मेरे से. Very much close to it. Even you can put me on the chat, Instagram. Even you can schedule a call with me. One for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Calls are available. Stay tuned to my channel. Definitely, I will be posting whenever there is an opening and they are going to hire in bulk. So if you are waiting for a major bulk openings, Capgemini will be soon firing or shooting out their link. So start applying, and yes, all the best from Informatica. Wherever you are, do great, and yes, do share your experiences to Informatica so that I can deliver some genuine experiences, because you know all your inputs are valuable to Informatica Hub. And yes, I take input, I try to analyze, I try to figure out what are correct and what are wrong. And yes, as per my experience, I try to deliver and try to maintain my platform as a genuine platform, because I believe that the more genuine I will be, the most helpful it will be for you all guys. I don't want to just spread rumors or something like that. Else, I just want, if you are giving your 8 to 10 minutes, definitely you can get some benefit from this video. If you think थोड़ा भी बकवास था वीडियो में, कमेंट में बताना, क्योंकि यार इंप्रूवमेंट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. और वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा तो लाइक करके एक मोटिवेशन कमेंट डाल के निकल जाना. चलो मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो में नई इन्फॉर्मेटिव कंटेंट के साथ. पर्सनल कनेक्ट करने के लिए टॉप में लिंक चेक कर लेना.